in logic, two statements are equivalent if they're made up of the same simple statements and, this is the important part, or the really important part, they have the same truth value or values for corresponding truth values of those simple statements. We have shorthand for this, or a symbol for this. We write P is equivalent to Q. And as I just said, this is P is equivalent to Q. All right, so how can I tell if two statements are equivalent? Well, really what I need to do is just make a truth table with both of them, see if they match up. So let's show if P then Q and not P or Q are equivalent. So the way I'll do that is I'm just going to make a truth table. I'm going to have both of these on that truth table, and then when I'm done, I'll just check to see if their columns match. So there's everything I would need to make a truth table for both of those things. I've got two simple statements, so I'll need 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so underneath Q here, alternate true, false, true, false. Under P, true, false, true, false. Now, this is just a normal table for if P then Q, but I'll go through it. If true, then true is true. If true, oh, oops, I wrote down P wrong. Sorry. I'm so excited to be writing down truth values again. I haven't made a video for a couple days. So P is true, true, false, false. Sorry, you probably yelled at your computer screen and said, no, that one should be 2s. All right. Anyway, if true, then true is true. If true, then false is false. If false, then true is true. And if false, then false is true. Now I need not P, so that will be false, false, true, true. And now for not P or Q, I want to look at not P, look at Q, or them together. So here I have false or true is true, false or false is false, true or true is true, true or false is true. Now I just need to look at those two columns, if P then Q, and not P or Q, and ask myself, do those match up? Looking, I can see yes they do. So that means that the statement, if P then Q, is equivalent to the statement, not P or Q. So what does that really mean? Well, it means that I could replace one of them with the other without changing the value of a statement. That can be really helpful sometimes. If one of these is easier to understand, I can look at that one. Or it's going to build a circuit and I only had access to one of these symbols or the other, I could build it with the, either one. So that's what equivalent statements are, and these two statements happen to be equivalent.